What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BABA ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with some fundamental news related to this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis about upcoming price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point. As you can see, we broke right here this support line. It is a 0.65 Fibonacci retracement level, and we broke it to the upside, and we had this dodgy candle right here, but unfortunately we didn't hold this line, and we broke it again and even broke this previous bottom. This means technically we are still in downtrend because we don't have higher highs and higher lows. Instead of this, we have lower highs and lower lows. And for those of you who want to enter your position from the investor standpoint, it is still very good opportunity to enter it right here. But if you want to catch the real bottom, it is extremely difficult to make some assumptions. And I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis in a minute. And I will show you more bullish signs that we have for now. So, and let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. I don't want to dive deep into the company profile. You all know what is BABA and what is Alibaba Group. I just want to pay your attention on one number. It is a PE ratio, and for now it is even lower than 18, and it is 17.33 points. This company is extremely undervalued. Compared to PE ratio of Amazon, that is about 59 points. This company is extremely undervalued. But we have a lot of risks related to Chinese Communist Party and related to the trade war between the United States of America and China. But this pressure gives only a better opportunity for those of you who are risky enough and who want to enter the position and who want to add this company into your investment portfolio. So let me show you the latest news. We are on Seeking Alpha, and this article was published on October the 1st, and it's titled Alibaba drops 2.7% as bull Raymond James raises growth concern. And let me quote you these bullets. Alibaba Group is down 2.7% today after Raymond James backed off its strong bullishness, expecting some slower e-commerce growth and faster regulatory moves. The firm cut its rating to merely outperform from strong buy, as it says the company faces a number of increased headwinds to growth with the ongoing issues in the supply chain, continued intermittent lockdowns tied to COVID-19, and a slower outlook for real estate growth. And it trimmed its price target to $240 from $300, which still implies 67% upside from here. So, as you can see, the price target is still very juicy from our current price point. It's still bullish and still likes Alibaba in the long term, and the valuation is attractive. US listed shares are down 50% over the past year, but it's increasingly uncertain about when growth will recover. Meanwhile, Alibaba is among the US traded stocks with the highest short interest at $8.85 billion as 3 partners notes. And let me show you this link. This is the list of most shorted stocks, and it is not the percentage-wise most shorted, it is the highest amount of short interest. And as you can see, Tesla is on the first place, Amazon is on the second, Apple is on the third, and Alibaba Group is on the 7th place with $8.85 billion in short interest. And it is a short float of only 2.18%. And let me show you right here. According to finviz.com, we have short float of 2.82%. And right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you can find that on September the 30th and on October the 1st, we have downgrade from Raymond James on October the 1st, and I just covered this news. And next one, Citigroup make its own conclusion, and it also has a downgrade from $300 to $240. Exactly the same price target. And let me show you that on TipRanks, Previously we had 27 ratings and 24 of them were buy ratings, and for now we have only 23 buy ratings, 2 hold ratings and 1 sell rating. And basically we have almost the same price targets. The highest price target is lower than we had previously by $2, and it was $332. For now it is $330, and the lowest price point is exactly the same, $190, and the average price of $247.67 implies the upside potential of 71.75%. So we are still technically in downtrend, and we have a lot of fear around these companies, around Chinese companies, I mean, especially around the BABA ticker and about Alibaba Group. But overall, in my opinion, this company will settle all the problems and will have a huge future with their listings on the United States Stock Exchange. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you a weekly time frame. And on my previous video, I've told you that we have bullish divergence, and bullish divergence is when you can see the higher lows on RSI with the lower lows on the price action. And we still have this pattern, and on top of that, let me show you that we have some kind of sideways movement with the RSI. This means it might be losing its negative momentum, and this means we might have next leg to the upside with this indicator and with the price action as well. And let me show you that on a daily time frame we also have a bullish divergence, and right here we have this low and this low, and on the price action we have this low and this low. So we have one more bullish divergence on a smaller time frame. This means we have more and more chances to have at least a good bounce. And let me show you 4 hours time frame. Right here we also have a bullish divergence, but it is not the strongest one. Let me show it to you more thoroughly. Because we have this point and this one, and the second point is in neutral territory, and it is a very weak pattern when we have the second point on the neutral territory, but still it is in play, and we might have a trend reversal. So basically from the technical standpoint we have several bullish signs, and let me show you again weekly time frame. We have very good candle. Let me show you more thoroughly. At the very bottom of this movement we have this candle. It is inverted hammer, and if you type in Google inverted hammer, you can see that it is a trend reversal candle, and it doesn't matter what type of color this candle has, because usually it implies the psychology behind it, that a lot of bulls tries to enter their position with this candle, but bears still for now have the control, and that's why we have to be cautious, but it is a very good sign. So we have multiple bullish signs, and for those of you who are risky enough, you can add your position even further with the movement to the downside, because the upside potential for this stock is really impressive. If I measure the potential profits from our current price to our previous all-time high, it will be more than 122%. And even to this point, to this previous swing high, we have more than 60% of potential profits. And what should you do if you want to invest, but you don't want to have huge risks that are involved in the process of investing right now? You have to wait. And you have to wait until you will see higher highs and higher lows, and I will do another update when we will see it, and I will show you what should you do if you want to enter this position with the least amount of risks. So if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!